In this video, we will go through a couple of strategies that will help you when creating the robot. First of all, you can use the parts provided by us, but if you want, you can try and create them yourself. To do this, open the target part. In the Feature Manager, you can use the rollback bar to see how the part was created. As you go through the features, you can right-click on the sketch and select Edit Sketch to see the dimensions and relations between the sketch entities. For example, click on a line and see the constraints applied to it, such as vertical. You can also right-click on the feature itself and click Edit Feature to view how the material was added. In this case, midplane with a depth of 50.8 mm. When working with assemblies, it is the most effective to look at the mates between components. You can do this from the Feature Manager by expanding the Mates folder, clicking on each of them, and right-click Edit Feature to view more details. You can also right-click on a particular part in the Graphics area or in the Feature Manager and click View Mates to view only the mates applied to that part. If you have trouble viewing a certain component, right-click on it and isolate to see it better. Alternatively, you can right-click on a surrounding component and change its transparency. This allows you to select entities that are behind that component. You can also completely hide the component if you want, and then show it again by right-clicking in the Feature Manager. A great way to visualize how the parts are assembled is the section view. Click on it and select the appropriate plane from the menu on the left. Then drag the arrow on the screen to the desired position. Click OK. To exit, click on the icon one more time. If you want to add a feature that requires a distance but you are not sure about the distance, you can always use the Measure tool from the Evaluate tab. Simply click on the entities between which you want to measure and expand the small menu to see more information. Sometimes you might get mate errors even though you did everything correctly. Just hit the Rebuild button and it should work. Have fun in creating the main assembly.